If you're planning to take the IELTS test and want to get a high band score, stick around to find tips and strategies that help you ace this test. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and make sure to click on the notification bell. Hi, what's going on everybody? Glad to see you again for another tutorial. I'm Mohammad and you're watching the 7th episode of the IELTS speaking series. In today's episode, we're going to work on a Part 2 task card, so let's jump into it. You ready? Now you only have 1 to 2 minutes to talk, so don't worry if I stop you in the middle, okay? Please start. Well, I would love to go to a school of culinary arts and take an Italian cooking course. I've been meaning to do this forever, but I've never really had the courage to actually do it. Because, I'm really afraid of being made fun of by my friends. I would love for it to be a practical course, getting me hands-on experience of making Italian dishes. Even thinking about it makes me salivate. I like Italian food so much, I'm afraid I might eat half of what I cook. As for what I exactly want to learn from it, I guess it goes without saying that I aim to master the art of Italian cooking. But no one knows for certain what's gonna happen in the future. Who knows? I might even become better at making friends. The reason I say that is because such courses bring people from all walks of life and different cultures together, and this can potentially lead to forming new relationships. When it comes to why I would choose this course, first of all, I guess I have a habit of trying to do things that help me stand out from the crowd. I think knowing how to cook Italian food can be a mark of distinction. Besides, it can be a great source of income. And that could be considered as another reason why I would choose this course. On a more serious note, however, as a kid, I always loved watching my mom cook. Watching her pour her heart and soul into making a meal kindled a love of cooking in my heart. Pursuing this passion is probably the main reason why I would choose this course. It's time to go back and analyze this response. And that's it for this episode. In the next one, we'll work on part 3 questions that follow this episode's task card. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.